To determine the lowest possible Fermi energy of a system, we first group the states with Fermi energy into sets and arrange them in increasing order of energy. We then add particles one at a time, successively filling up the unoccupied quantum states with the lowest energy. Now see what is the meaning of this. म्हणजे काय होत असतं याच्यामध्ये, लोएस्ट पॉसिबल फर्मी एनर्जी ऑफ अ सिस्टम. लोएस्ट पॉसिबल फर्मी एनर्जी कोणाची असणार आहे, जी -270 डिग्री सेल्सिअसच्या खाली, म्हणजे व्हॅलन्स बँड. व्हॅलन्स बँड जर तुम्ही जर पकडला तर त्या व्हॅलन्स बँड मध्ये लोएस्ट पॉसिबल फर्मी एनर्जी असणार. त्यामुळे काय होणार आहे, अशा ज्या लोएस्ट पॉसिबल फर्मी एनर्जीज आहेत त्यांचा आपण एक ग्रुप तयार करतो. फर्स्ट ग्रुप द स्टेट्स विथ इक्वल एनर्जी, ज्यांची एनर्जी इक्वल आहे त्यांचा एक आपण ग्रुप तयार करायचा. अँड देन वी स्टार्ट गो ऑन ऍडिंग द पार्टिकल्स वन बाय वन, नॉट ॲट अ टाइम, वन बाय वन, सक्सेसिव्हली फिलिंग द अनऑक्युपाइड क्वांटम स्टेट. ज्या ठिकाणी ऑक्युपेशन झालेलं नाही आहे त्या ठिकाणी हे आपण वन बाय वन ऍडिंग करत जायचं. आणि एकदा once these particles when we have arranged accordingly, म्हणजे increasing ऑर्डरने जेव्हा तुम्ही करत जाताय, the energy of the highest occupied state in the Fermi energy, म्हणजे हायेस्ट स्टेटची जी असणार आहे त्या स्टेटला फर्मी एनर्जीची स्टेट म्हटली जाते. क्लिअर अबाउट. नाउ in spite of the extraction of all possible energy from metal by cooling it to near absolute zero, the electrons in the metal still move around. So the fastest one moves at a velocity corresponding to kinetic energy to Fermi energy. म्हणजे काय असतं की आपण ह्या ठिकाणी सुरुवातीला काय तयार केलं की lowest possible Fermi energy system, then we have created a group, then we start adding the atoms to fill the unoccupied quantums, then we have all particles which are arranged, the energy of the highest occupied state, म्हणजे ज्याची ऑक्युपाइड हायेस्ट एनर्जी आहे त्याला आपण काय म्हटलेलं आहे, Fermi energy. So this is how the Fermi energy is calculated. Now see here you can see in this diagram, this is the metal. First one is metal, second one is semiconductor, and third one is the insulator. आता या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला दाखवलेलं आहे की व्हॅलन्स बँड अँड कंडक्शन बँड. So the valence band has loosely held electrons and the conduction contains free moving electrons. In between the valence band and the conduction band there exists a Fermi level. एवढं लक्षात ठेवणं आता सध्या गरजेचं आहे. Where is the Fermi level exists? The Fermi level exists between the valence band and the conduction band. So the Fermi energy is applied in determining electrical and thermal characteristics of the solid. So it is one of the important concepts in the superconductor physics and quantum mechanics, and it is used in the semiconductors and insulators. आता या ठिकाणी semiconductors and insulators का म्हटलेलं आहे? Because conduction band contains the free electrons, so they can constitute an electric current. There is no doubt about the metals. But in case of the semiconductors and in case of the insulators, what happens? Insulators आपण ज्याला म्हणतो की where there is no possibility of carrying current, but the semiconductors are partly conducting the current and partly they are insulators. So these are the two most important things we have to take into consideration. One is semiconductor and another one is the insulator, and these are always at the Fermi level. And Fermi level कुठे आहे या ठिकाणी? Valence band आणि conduction band यांच्यामध्ये. So the Fermi level always lies between conduction band and the valence band. Now see Fermi, the reason for existence of this energy level is due to Pauli exclusion principle, which states two fermions cannot occupy that same quantum state. So if the system has more than one fermion, each fermion has a different set of magnetic quantum numbers associated with it. आता या ठिकाणी how it is different from that classical electron theory. Yesterday we have seen in the lecture that in case of the classical electron theory, when the two same atoms, suppose there are two sodium atoms which are kept nearby, what happened at that time? In sodium, atomic number is 11. That's why their configuration, electronic configuration is like 2, 8 and 1. या ठिकाणी आपण काय बघितलं होतं की there are also states 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p. So in 1s there are 2 electrons, 2s and 2p. Accordingly that the electrons are get accommodated. But when the two metals or two sodium atoms kept close together, what will happen? According to the orbitals, म्हणजे 1s दोघांचा 1s, if you consider the 1s of the both two, they will overlap. That means 2 electrons from 1s and 2 electrons from another sodium atom of 1s. They will overlap and will form two energy levels. Yesterday we have seen that. But in case of this quantum theory, there is no concept of overlapping. That means if two fermions, that means if just what we have said, the two atoms of the sodium are kept together. Similarly, if the two fermions are kept together, there is no any overlap. Remember this. But in case of free electron theory, there is a overlapping concept. But in case of this, there is no any overlapping occurs. So what we have to do over here? Here we have to give different magnetic quantum numbers. So we cannot say the two fermions overlap each other as it happens in the classical electron theory. Now, what is meant by Fermi temperature? Very simple definition is that the Fermi temperature can be defined as the energy of the Fermi level divided by Boltzmann constant. म्हणजे energy, Fermi level ची energy divided by Stefan Boltzmann constant, you will get the Fermi temperature. That is the equation, or you can say the formula. Division of Fermi level by Boltzmann constant is known as Fermi temperature. It is also the temperature at which energy of the electron is equal to the Fermi energy. Fermi energy is what temperature? Minus 273, absolute zero temperature. So the temperature at which energy of the electron is equal to Fermi energy. It is also known as the Fermi temperature. Now we have seen what is meant by Fermi energy. Now we will see what is meant by Fermi level. So the highest energy level that an electron can occupy at absolute zero temperature is known as Fermi level. Very simple definition. काय सांगितलेलं आहे? Highest energy level. It is the highest energy level that an electron can occupy at absolute zero. Absolute zero temperature ला highest energy level जे असते त्याला आपण काय म्हणणार आहोत? Fermi level. The Fermi level lies between valence band and conduction band, as we have seen